Planning for a dry future. Well, at least one hotel in Trelawney is making green energy and water recycling a part of its operations as the climate change projections for the island remain bleak. It comes as the drought continues to plague western parishes. Kalisha Williams has that story.
Water is a prominent part of the hotel industry in the island, from the sea to pools and splash parks for kids. But climate change is threatening those resources. Coupled with the ongoing drought and sea level rise, the hotel industry is one of the most vulnerable industries in the island. It's why the newly constructed RIU Palace Aquarelle Hotel in Trelawney is putting climate change at the forefront of its operations. First, the construction of a state-of-the-art water treatment plant which allows water to be recycled.
It will help with the water treatment. So the filtration process is called an ultrafiltration and prevents the passage of any solid, bacteria, pathogens greater than 0.03 micrometer. And with this measurement, we're going to be able to use all the water for irrigation. Furthermore, we have 2 heat machines that help with the heating and also with the cooling. In this way, we can save a lot of gas.
And in adapting to the warm weather, a focus on solar energy.
Here in this project, we are installing 795 panels that will be able to produce roughly 400,000 kilowatts peak. This will be a saving annually of 470,000 megawatts.
That is expected to significantly reduce the hotel's carbon footprint by limiting the emission of some of the same gases which cause climate change.
This will reduce the emissions of CO in 200,000 tons of emissions.
This is the second hotel to announce a commitment to use eco-friendly mechanisms in its operations since the start of the year. In January, the Jamaica Inn announced plans to go green by 2026. Already, the United Nations warned that climatic features such as temperature and precipitation will affect the demand for tourism in Jamaica. From as early as 2011, the UN said by 2050, the tourism industry is expected to lose $132 million. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.